In the same way that it takes a village to raise a child, so it is when one's thinking of invention going through to innovation, through to technology and product deployment. It takes an entire system to get that right.
Essentially, the New South Wales Defence Innovation Network came out of a need to facilitate further collaboration between defence, industry and academia. And it was a key theme within the New South Wales Government's defence and industry strategy, Strong, Smart and Connected. And I guess that helped to facilitate paving the way for the formation of the DIN in 2017 and its subsequent successes over the last few years.
Before Defence Innovation Network was established, there was no easy way to connect industry needs to the host of exquisite facilities and expertise in our university sector. What we do is we connect those needs with our university sector, and reciprocally, there was also no particularly easy way to facilitate bringing out emerging innovations into the commercialization powerhouse of our industries in the state.
The key stakeholders within the New South Wales Defence Innovation Network are the New South Wales Government, the Commonwealth Government through Defence Science and Technology, and member universities.
Since we've been established, Defence Innovation Network has been playing this facilitation service and has helped to accelerate startups and to grow established companies in the state, and also to bring those innovations from the university sector into commercial reality.
My work with the Defence Innovation Network is to support their work in collaborating with defence, industry and academia. And one of the ways we do that is to support their calls to industry by bringing together global defence primes and SMEs and other interested parties, such as our defence regional networks.
Getting up and running was a lot like creating a startup. Initially, I did a lot of the hard yards myself and was taking care of the strategy and the operational side. And we slowly grew a small but incredibly high-functioning team that has really good collaborative connectivity. And it's quite amazing with such a small team how big our footprint has grown over the past period of time. And this is, of course, in large part also because of the strong and supportive relationships that we have through to the Office of the Chief Scientist and Engineer and Defence and Aerospace New South Wales. Defence Innovation Network over the past 3.5 years has led and contributed to over 100 translational and commercialization type of projects, and we've drawn over $90 million of research investment into those particular projects.
Look, I think one of the key results that the DIN facilitated was the multi-million-dollar deal with Thales and a number of defence industry SMEs, member universities, to support R&D efforts in autonomous underwater vehicles and surface vessels. And it was great for us to be part of that and support the DIN in their efforts.
It's been a real privilege working with Defence Innovation Network to help support the small and medium enterprises in the state to deliver new capability for the Australian Defence Force and to contribute economic benefit to the state and jobs growth.
I've thoroughly enjoyed working alongside Bradley and the team, particularly with our work on the defence industry trade shows, and we really look forward to a successful Indo-Pacific 2022 here in Sydney.